Dear students, today let me explain some problems based on density. Okay, these problems are from our material only, so the order may be changed in the next version of the book printing, but the questions are same. So don't look and don't wait for the serial number of the questions in the worksheet. So for your convenience, I am giving you the question also on the screen. So the question appears on the screen and answer will be written on the board. Okay, so just follow our question and answers. Actually these questions are from our worksheets. Okay, before going into our worksheet, let us do a small problem. If I take a cube of 10 centimeters of side length, means 10 centimeters length, breadth and 10 centimeters of height, and if I pour 1 liter of water, it will be completely filled in the cube. Means what is its volume? 10 into 10 1000 centimeters. This cube can occupy 1 liter of water. Hence I can say that 1 liter of water is equal to 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube. Now let us see what is its value in meter cube. So here 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters, right? So 10 to the power of 3000 centimeter cube can be written as 10 centimeters, means 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Again 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters into, that is equal to how much? 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1 is 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So what is this? 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube or 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Both are right. Is it clear? So 1 liter equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube or 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube. Now let us solve one problem. A piece of lead weighs 232 grams. What is the mass of the lead? 232 grams. Volume is equal to 20 centimeter cube. What is the density of the lead? That's the question. So as we know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass is 232 grams by volume is 20 centimeter cube. So simplify, you will get the answer. That's all. It's a simple problem only. Generally I don't simplify because it's your part. I actually discuss only physics, so you simplify this small one. Next question. 5 liters of alcohol, volume is equal to how much? 5 liters of alcohol has a mass of 4 kg. The density of alcohol is same as before. Density is equal to mass by volume. The mass equal to 4 kg. See, this is in SI system kg. Liters, 5 liters should be in SI system only. So by volume is 5 into 1 liter equal to how much in SI system? 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So it is 10 to the power of minus 3. So which goes up. 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 goes up 10 to the power plus 3. That's 1000 by 5. So you simplify, you will get the answer in kg per meter cube. That's all. Very simple. In the problem, it is given that a 50 kg mass of a body is immersed in water. Then we observe the mark of the measuring cylinder as 70 centimeter cube. See, a stone is immersed in the water and the reading in the measuring cylinder is up to 70 centimeter cube, up to here. So when the stone is dipped inside this, the water rises and reaches up to 70 centimeter cube mark. When the stone is taken out of the cylinder, then what happened? The water level on the cylinder is 50 centimeter cube. See, when the stone is removed, what happened? The water level dropped up to 50 centimeter cube. Means from this, can we find the volume of the stone. Yes. So when you dip the stone inside the water, the volume is raised from 50 to 70, means that is nothing but the volume of the stone. So volume of the stone is equal to 70 minus 50 equal to 20 centimeters cube, and mass of the stone is given by 50 kg. Now the question is, the density of the stone is, or density of the body is what? Okay, the answers are given in a CGS system. You need to solve the problem in CGS system only. So as before, our density formula D is equal to mass by volume. As the options are in a CGS system, let us solve this problem in CGS system. Mass 50 kg means 50 into kilogram. How many grams? 1000 grams. Volume is 20 centimeter cube. 20. You simplify to get the answer in grams per centimeter cube. Look into the next problem. Density of lead is 11.6 gram per cc. Density of lead gram per cc, and density of wood is 800 kg per meter cube. What do you understand with these statements? The statements are given like this. Matter is only densely packed in lead than wood. Matter is densely packed in wood than lead. The density of lead is greater than that of wood. Both 1 and 3 are correct. He is given like that. So our target is to find which has more dense. For that the value should be in single system, either CGS or SI. So this is in CGS system, this is in SI system. So whatever it is, no problem. So both must be in single system. So let us convert this into CGS to SI system. As you know that 1 gram per cc equal to how much? 1000 kg per meter cube. So instead of this gram per cc, I can write 1000 kg per meter cube. Then it becomes 11.6 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube. Means how much? 11.6 3 zeros. So if it is removed, so after multiplying it will be 11,600 kg per meter cube. So it is 11,600, it is just 800, means whose density is more? So obviously density of lead is more than density of wood. What does it mean? It means the matter is closely packed in case of lead than wood. In the previous lecture, we have discussed that density of iron is greater than density of cotton. At that time, what I have told you, wool has air, space, empty space inside it. Even you can blow air through wool or cotton. You can't blow air through iron because here the matter is closely packed. There the matter is not closely packed. There are some gaps. So density is more means matter is closely packed. So the density of lead is greater than wood is also right, and also the matter is closely packed in lead than wood also correct. That's why the fourth option is right answer. Look into the next problem. Take two identical 100 centimeter cube beakers. He is asking us to take two beakers each of 100 centimeter cube volume. Fill one beaker completely with water and the other with kerosene. Place the beakers in the scale pans of an ordinary beam balance as shown in the figure. It is observed that the beaker filled with water have more mass than that of the beaker filled with kerosene oil. Because. Good question. See, this both are same volume, 100 centimeter cube, 100 centimeter cube, completely filled with water and kerosene. Both are placed in the beam balance as shown in the figure. But it is shown that water has more mass than kerosene. Means the beam balance will be lowered towards water and the kerosene rises up. Why? It is very clear that the one which has more mass obviously lowered, the one which has less mass rises. So here mass of 100 centimeter cube water is greater than mass of 100 centimeter cube of kerosene. What is the reason? The reason is its density. See, it is very clear that if you pour some oil in water, what happens? Go to home and take one glass, fill it with partially filled with water, and pour some oil in the water. What happens? Oil floats on the water because oil has less density, that's why it floats. Similarly, here kerosene also having less density, that's why it floats. Water has more density, that's why it sinks. Now let us check into the options and answer it. The matter in water is more densely packed than kerosene. The matter in kerosene oil is more densely packed in water. The water and kerosene are equally occupied. Water and kerosene oil are occupied the same volume. None of this. So you decide. A cylinder is filled with water to a level of 50 centimeter cube like this. The cylinder is marked up to 100 divisions with each division of 1 centimeter cube. So it has 100 divisions and each division is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Means what is the 100th division is nothing but 100 centimeter cube. Means he is indirectly saying that the cylinder is marked up to 100 centimeter cube and it is filled with water up to 50 centimeter cube. When a body is immersed in a liquid, we observe that the mark of the cylinder is 75 centimeter cube. So some object is dipped in it. When the object is dipped in it, what happens? The level of water rises and the water level raised up to 75 centimeter cube. So up to this the level is. So from this what can you understand about the volume of the body which is dipped inside? So volume of the body is nothing but 75 minus 50 is equal to 25 centimeter cube. Volume of is equal to 75 centimeter cube. The density of the body is 250 gram per centimeter cube. The mass of the body is, that's all, over. So density is given, volume is given, mass. As you know, the density equal to mass by unit volume. Mass equal to density into volume. Just multiply these two and you will get the answer. That's all. So as that is not physics, that is mathematical part, I am leaving. You simply multiply. Let us go to the next problem. See, this is a very interesting and tricky problem. A rectangular slab of some object has mass 1 by 4 kg. So mass of some rectangular slab is equal to 1/4 kg. Its length, breadth and height are 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters respectively. Then he is asking that the object sinks in water, floats in water or what? So which object sinks in water? Yeah, you are right. The object whose density is greater than water sinks, and if the density of the object is less than water, it floats. So as to find whether this object sinks or floats in water, what we have to find? Yes, we have to find its density, then we can identify whether it sinks or floats. What is the volume of this object? Its length into breadth into height. It's given that 3 to 2 centimeters respectively. 3, 2, 2 means 3 to 6, 2 is 12 centimeter cube. Now what is its density? Density equal to mass per volume. So mass is 1 by 4 by volume is 1 by 12 centimeter cube. See, this is in kg SI system, this is in centimeter CGS system. So everything should be in single system. That's why. See, the volume of that object is 12 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 to the minus 6 meter cube. So I wrote that here. Now density equal to mass by volume. Mass is 1/4 of the kg by volume is 12 into 10 to the minus 6. Upon simplifying, I got 12.83 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube. Density of the body is 20,830 kg per meter cube, whereas density of water is 1 gram per cc or 1000 kg per meter cube. Means whose density is greater? Obviously the density of the body is greater. So if density of the body is higher than that of the water, what happens? Yes, you are right. Obviously it sinks. Over. See, this is very interesting problem and a little bit complicated one, but very interesting problem. Observe it once. So a boy constructed a paper boat. A small stone is kept inside the boat. ఒక చిన్న స్టోన్ని లోపల పెట్టాడంట. సో బోట్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్గా వాటర్లో ఉంటుంది. The masses of paper and stone are 15 grams and 50 grams respectively. Mass of paper is equal to 15 grams. Mass of stone is equal to 50 grams. Means the total mass is 65 grams. And the volumes are 40 centimeter cube and 70 centimeter cube respectively. Volume of paper is equal to 40 centimeter cube. Volume of stone equal to 75 centimeter cube respectively. The boat is kept in kerosene oil. So this is not water as assumed, this is kerosene. The boat kept into the kerosene oil. The density of kerosene oil is equal to 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. The density of kerosene is equal to 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Then the boat sinks in the kerosene oil, floats in the kerosene oil, sometimes floats and sometimes sinks, we can't say. This is the question. Very beautiful. You try, pause the video and you try. If you can't answer, then play the video and check the answer. Okay. Actually this is the last problem from our density chapter. Actually while solving this problem, people solve it in a wrong manner. I will do the wrong manner first and then I will do the correct manner. So what is the wrong manner? Generally what people do, I will tell now. So what is our previous concept? If the density of this stone and paper is less than density of kerosene, what happens? The boat floats. If the density of this combination is more, it sinks. అదేగా మనం చెప్పుకుంది. ఏదైనా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని ఒక లిక్విడ్లో వేసేటప్పుడు ఆ లిక్విడ్ యొక్క డెన్సిటీ కంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అది మునిగిపోతుంది, తక్కువ ఉంటే అది ఫ్లోట్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ యొక్క పేపర్ బోటు మరియు ఈ స్టోన్ యొక్క డెన్సిటీ కనుక బోట్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే మునిగిపోతుంది, తక్కువ ఉంటే తేలుతుంది. సో దీని యొక్క డెన్సిటీని ఇప్పుడు మనం కనుక్కుందాం. సో డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ద కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ టోటల్ మాస్ బై టోటల్ వాల్యూమ్. ఇలా చేస్తారు జనరల్గా. So what is the total mass? 15 plus 50 by what is the total volume?